Next up, the Sunken Ship Thief's Cache. This is located all the way in the bottom of the map, right at the center. Over here, it's best to take a boat, otherwise you can swim out here, right here. When you get to this point on the map, what you need to do is look about 50 or so meters to the left, and this is where we need to dive down. So pretty much here, you can see the ship under the water here. You'll have just enough air, so make sure to do it relatively quick. If we swim straight down here, you can see an entrance with a bag right there. That's where I'll be going, so just a tiny bit of breath, and let's go for it. So right over here. As you can see, this is the Thief's Cache. All you need is the key, and when you have it, you'll have all of the loot inside of it. It's difficult to find, I'm not sure how people found it in the first place, but regardless, here it is far off the map here. So, thank you all for watching. My name's been Taken Over here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!